it's very fundamental to have a great relationship with our end users, and we really increase that level of relationship with our customers because we have United Grinding machines here at our facility. My name is Naoya Takamasa. I am president with KNB Tools of America. KNB Tools offer services by manufacturing cutting tools such as in PCD and carbide. We also have additional services by regrinding, which is like refurbishing cutting tools. Our cutting tools are used in a variety of automotive applications, including engines, transmission, and small engine components. United Grinding has played a key role in our company.
My name is Luke Uncapher. I'm the plant manager at KNB Tools of America. I guess you could say in a sense our company was built around United Grinding. Our relationship is very long, and it was an easy decision to keep investing in United Grinding in our company as we grow.
Well, it's no brainer. We looked at different manufacturers of machines, and we went and visited them and did some trials. The rigidity of this machine that we looked at here with Walter United Grinding was far superior than any other machines that we looked at. I know that our customer really enjoyed the finishing of the cutting tools and the precision that we give to our customers. When they look in their checking machine, they can see the difference when we run it through United Grinding Walter machine versus other competitor machines.
The top benefits of working with United Grinding are the user-friendliness of the machine. It's easy to train new employees and train current employees on new products that we are trying to produce, as well as the customer support. They're always prompt to help us, and the repeatability and accuracy of the machine always helps us produce the high accuracy of quality tool that we need.
The quality of United Grinding Walter machine is so great that we've decided not only just eroding machine, but expand into our grinding machine and other areas from United Grinding as well.
We really feel that United Grinding is here to help us and partner with us, and they understand who we are and what we're trying to do as a company.
Another advantage about United Grinding is their customer care team. Their customer care team really cares about us, about their customers. They communicate to us very well, and they help us, and they want to make sure that we're running without very limited downtime.
The reason we've decided to stick with United Grinding is because they have a great return on investment. If there's a plant manager out there deciding on whether or not to buy it from United Grinding, I would say do it. They stand behind their machine. Their machines are quality. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be able to produce the quality cutting tools that we do today.